The new integration between Dynamics 365 Human Resources and LinkedIn Talent Hub provides an efficient and simplified end-to-end hiring experience from recruiting to employee record setup. It gives users the ability to export new hire candidate information into human resources quickly and easily. To demonstrate this new HR experience, we are starting in LinkedIn Talent Hub. We begin by going into our product settings, scrolling down to integrations, and then to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Authorizing this experience takes us to an onboarding page where we can now select the environment from which we will be exporting our candidates to human resources. Then select a recent project to work in. Let's say we have chosen Claire as the candidate to hire and she has accepted our offer. We navigate to Change State and move her to Hired. To create the candidate record, we open Claire's card to review if her information is correct. Opening the Ellipses menu, we see the Export to HRIS option that is available for hired candidates. From here, we select Microsoft Dynamics 365 Human Resources, which is now available as an option for the HRIS provider. We then select Claire's start date, verify her job title and location, and then verify the email and contact information are correct before selecting Export. This begins the process of exporting this candidate record over to Dynamics 365 Human Resources. We can review the status of this export activity by selecting Recruiting Activities on this card. Now, when we navigate to Dynamics 365 Human Resources and refresh the page in Personal Management, Claire's record has been added to our Candidates to Hire. We can now select the Hire action to view how quickly and easily her records have been integrated. In the Hire New Worker page, key fields have been populated and additional information can be entered on this form, such as selecting the position for which she has been hired. To continue with the hiring process, we would work our way down and select the Hire action to continue the onboarding experience. Note that there is some setup required to create this experience. For instance, Dynamics 365 HR virtual entities need to be set up in Common Data Service. Individual entities will be found here. For our example, LinkedIn Exported Candidate Virtual Entity is used to export the candidate records we created using LinkedIn Talent Hub. With this powerful update, Dynamics 365 Human Resources makes using LinkedIn Talent Hub a streamlined experience for integrating candidate records, creating a streamlined end-to-end experience and moving hired candidate records into human resources as employee records. Thank you for watching. Visit these links to learn more about setting up and utilizing this powerful new human resources tool.